We're going to be learning more about consonant clusters today. You guys have a chart at home that looks similar to the one on the screen. This is a consonant cluster chart. It shows two letters put together that kind of work together to make one sound. So you can practice using your chart at home or use it to help you today. We are going to focus on the consonant clusters SH and TH today. First, let's look at this word on my screen. This is the word she. What do you notice about the word she? Do you see any consonant clusters? What letters do you see at the beginning of the word she? We see SH. SH is a consonant cluster. How many sounds do you hear in sh? We hear one sound, sh. How many letters make up that one sound? Can you count how many letters you see? I see two letters, an S and an H. So the SH works together to make one sound, sh, but it is made up of two letters, an S and an H put together. H put together is different than if you sounded the letters out individually. Individually, it would say s, h. But when you put them together, it says sh. This word says sh, e, she. Let's look at some more words that start with the blend or digraph sh. I'm going to put sh at the top so we know that we are focusing on the sound sh. sh. I'm going to type some more words and we'll read them together. Let's sound out this word. Sh, I, p, sh, I, p, ship. We know sh says sh, I says I, and p says p. If we put those sounds together, we get sh, ip, ship. Let's look at another word. Let's sound out this word. We know sh says sh, sh, o, sh, l, shell. That is the word shell. Let's look at one more word. We know sh says sh. So this word is sh, p, shop. Now let's look at a different word. What do you notice about this word on the screen? What do you notice about the letters that this word starts with? This is the word think. The word think begins with a TH. Sounds like th at the beginning of that word. Sounds do you hear in the word or in the letters th? How many sounds do you hear? Th. I hear one sound, but that one sound is made up of how many letters? Two. Th is made up of T and H put together. Get some more words that start with the consonant cluster TH or th. Let's sound out this word. We know TH says th, them. We see that consonant cluster TH. Let's look at another word. We know TH says th. Let's sound it out. Th, r, e, 3. Last word. We know TH says th. Let's sound out this word. Th is this. Excellent job, friends. So today we practiced our consonant clusters. SH says sh, like she, shop, ship, and shell. And TH says th, like think, three, them, this. Assignment, I want you to use your pencil and paper and label the top of your paper SH and TH. And I want you to write the words down here at the bottom, but I want you to write them under which one they belong. If the word starts with the consonant cluster TH, I want you to write it over here under TH. And if it starts with SH, I want you to write it under SH. When you're done, sound the words out using the parts that you know, sh and th. Upload a picture of your work or text a picture of your work to your teacher.